Jamaican style brown stew, cow foot, and rice and beans. Welcome to another vlog, guys. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be prepping some cow foot. Jamaican style, cow foot, whatever you choose to call it, cow feet, cow foot. So I seasoned from overnight. Cow foot is mostly bone. However, my husband loves cow foot. I am slightly trying to stop eating meat, but I still prep it for my family. So I seasoned overnight, and you can use any seasoning you choose to. It's soaked overnight. Now I'm ready to brown this before I put it in my slow cooker. Added me some garlic, a little olive oil, and I added my 3 pounds of cow foot to get some color. I leave uncovered and I want it to brown a little. I did add a little browning on it when I seasoned it. By now you should have seen my pictures I posted last Sunday. I just got a chance to do the video upload. Now this is my way. Choose to do your meat how you want. Once it starts to catch a little color, I just switch over on the adjacent side to make sure everything is the same color. Then on the side, I chopped all my herbs and spices, garlic, thyme, bell pepper, ginger, more garlic, because I'll be adding this in my slow cooker and I love to use lots of garlic, scallion, bay leaf, a little ginger. I used the ground ginger, and once I added all my herbs and spices, I did add some rosemary too. I allow this to cook for at least 10 minutes. Now look at it, it is boiling. Seasoning starts to boil in this. I plugged my slow cooker in, and then I'll be pouring this in, leaving this and the slow cooker. Once I put oxtail or any type of meat in it, once you cover it tightly, there is sufficient water in it. You don't have to like go back. So this was like after 3 hours. Yes, 3 hours. It took in the slow cooker. And at this point, I think it was like ready. It's mostly skin. And once it starts to fall from the bone, it is almost ready. It can be eaten. And I'll be adding some butter bean. I'm showing you what it looks like, and this was after 3 full hours. So I pour this back in my saucepan and I allow it to boil. I need lots of gravy, lots of pepper, and I'll be adding in my butter beans. So it's cow foot and butter bean. Leave to boil. You can add ketchup. I did add a little ketchup in mine, and I did add a little cornstarch to help to give it a little thickening for the gravy not to be too watery. Added me in my butter bean and I just mix this in. Here is a girl making some rice and beans, and my peas is like almost cooked. I'm about to like season, and I'll show you what my rice and peas look like. This was down the lane, Jamaican, long time Sunday dinner. I remember growing up on this. My mom used to pressure cow foot on a Sunday. So at this point, it has cooked down a little with the beans, and I'll be mixing a little cornstarch slurry to add in this to help to thicken the gravy. No water gravy around here. Add as much browning as you want. If you want your meat darker than this, then you're gonna add more browning in it. This can also be curried. Yes, it can be. You too can try to curry your cow foot if you eat it. Look at a girl, rice and peas, fluffy basmati rice. I love this rice. It is a very Shelly rice. Shelly just like Shelly. Anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Don't be mean. Please remember to give the video a like. At this point, my meat has gravy and the gravy has body, and I'm showing you meat a fall off the bone. This cook right down to the bone, and listen, it was so spicy. The pepper was lit in it. Look at dinner. Tell me your girl isn't the boss. I'm the bum. I felt like working. And there goes my husband dinner. Yes, I dish that out. Some veggies on the side. Make sure you include greens in your dinner. Not only rice, as them say, if Jamaicans only eat rice and peas and Sunday. No, we eat lots of veggies. So it was cow foot on the menu with some Jamaican style rice and peas, some cooked green beans, and other veggies on the side. And watch your girl enjoying her meal. The pepper did stand up. The pepper was strong, and I tasted tiny little bits of it, and it tasted really, really good. I know that my husband enjoyed it, and please drop some comments under the section, dear husband, and let them know how my cow foot tasted. Guys, thank you for your support. Run on over to my Facebook page and support my Facebook page. If you haven't started following me, Shelly Denton on Facebook, and on YouTube, I'm Shell's Time Kitchen Recipes. Thank you guys, and if you watched the video this far, don't be mean. Please give the video a thumbs up. Thank you for supporting. Like, share, and drop a comment. Thank you guys. Happy Sunday when you see this video. Catch you soon in another one.